Mzansi, the Senzo Meyiwa trial continues. Yesterday, there was a new witness, and he said that when the intruders came through, khumalo was the first person to stand up and run to the bathroom. Now, Mzansi, that is a red flag on its own, because when people come through the door, you do not know what they are hoping to do. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest mugosi. The new witness is Mr. Madlala, and the advocate asked him a few questions. Mr. Madlala responded by saying that khumalo was going up and down. At one point, she was on her feet. At other times, she was seated next to Senzo Meyiwa. Mr. Madlala also shared that the first person to run when the intruders entered the house was khumalo. Everyone then went and gathered around the guy with the dreadlocks. Now, that is the statement issued by a new witness called Mr. Madlala. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below. Till I see you again, bye-bye.